Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to update Amazon application on your mobile device. First of all, make sure that the device you are using is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, go ahead and open up Google Play Store for your Android. If you're using iPhone, open up the App Store. Now, once you're in, click on the search button at the bottom right, and this will bring up the search box at the top. Go to the search box and type in Amazon. Now look for this Amazon Shopping Made Easy application, and once you're inside this page, you will see an update button if there is an update available and yet to be downloaded on your device for Amazon. Look for the update button if available, tap on it to download the latest version of Amazon Shopping app. If you don't see the update button, it means you've already updated your app or your Amazon Shopping app is already up to date. After updating your app, it'll help ensure that you have the latest features, bug fixes, and security enhancements. Always keep your apps up to date to avoid compatibility issue and protect your data. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.